Hey, what's up guys? This is Chris. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for subscribing. You asked, we listen, and today we're going to be giving you some more tips and hacks on moving. If you want to know all the tricks about the business, please subscribe now. By the way, do you know what your movers hate you do on a moving day? Guess and leave your comments below, and I'll tell you later on in this video. Stay tuned.
Moving tips.
So here we go. We're gonna have 11 tips from professional movers. So tip number 1, first you wanna make sure you hire your movers as soon as you know your closing date. Closing, you wanna book the movers months in advance. So if you plan to hire a moving company, you wanna hire one as soon as you know what day you will be closing, or you'll be left with 1 or 2 star schmucks who are gonna charge you an arm and a leg. So step number 2, you don't let movers squeeze you in. If a moving company is booked on a moving day, find another moving company. Don't beg a mover to squeeze you in. When their schedule is most full, squeezing you in might actually mean you'll be getting the least trained crew, exhausted from 4 moves before you, showing up 3 hours late. So step 3, you want to rent a moving truck instead of using the mover's truck. A hired mover with a moving truck typically costs more than it would if you were to hire a mover and rent the truck separately. Rent a moving truck or reserve a moving container to use for the duration of your move, then hire moving labor to load and unload it. By separating the transportation and labor, you stay in complete control of your stuff and you save up to 60% from the full services cost. Step 4, don't take everything with you. Professional movers are often astonished by how many things people want to pack but don't really need. These include knickknacks, out-of-date furniture, half-empty bottles, shampoos, spices. Instead of that, take half the inventory. Make sure it is exactly what you want while you're moving.
Moving tips.
Step 5, you want to pack important documents in distinct or clear bins. Don't risk packing crucial papers in cardboard boxes where it can be hard to find or easily lost in a sea of cardboard boxes. Invest in plastic, water-resistant bins for tax information, insurance documents, your will, your passport, and other vital paperwork. These items will be safer and less likely to be damaged, and you will be able to locate them quickly in case if you need to access them. Step 6, don't buy groceries within 2 weeks of moving. If it's time to eat up, save it, order out, call fast food. Because when you go through your freezer, fridge, and our pantry and finish off all the stored foods, it'll be a lot easier in regards to moving, because now you will not have to worry about these items. So step 7, you want to find free boxes. With free boxes, of course, it's going to save the cost on moving from the very beginning. You can go to your local liquor store, your local grocery store, and you can get a free box from them if you just ask. Just make sure you get something that's sturdy and within good quality as well, because you do not want your goods damaged. Step 8, you want to color code and label all boxes for each room. For one, it helps you stay organized with each packed box. You also might want to assign a color to each of the room and mark the boxes according to those colors. If you want, go the extra mile. Label each box with each of its contents. Step 9, you want to use plastic to secure lids on fluids. First, you want to take the lid off of liquids like condiments and shampoos. You want to put a layer of plastic wrap over the top, then put the lid back on. This will help prevent leaks during transportation. So step 10, you want to take a picture of the back of your TV. Moving companies prefer that you unplug electronics before they'll touch them, and they don't hook them up after unloading them. To avoid frustration, take a picture of the back of your TV, DVR, and either game console before you unplug.
Moving tips.
Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. You still there? I know what I promise. And here are the 5 things that drive your movers insane. So, number 1, you're not ready to go. If movers are scheduled to arrive at 9 a.m., all your belongings should be packed in boxes, labeled, taped, and ready to go by 8 a.m. They want to start moving, not start standing. Number 2, careless packing. Imagine a carelessly packed knife poking out of a box and stabbing one of your movers in the leg, in the stomach, and the arm. Nobody wants to get sued, so please, pack carefully. Number 3, you want unauthorized items moved. Don't ask your mover to ship bullets, potted plants, food, animals, money, people, explosives. We all want to stay safe and move correctly, so please don't ask for something like this. Number 4, kids and pets in the way. Movers, as a rule, typically do not dislike kids, but they are not there to babysit. They are there to help you move and get the job done correctly. As well as pets. If you have any pets, please keep them in a secure location, safe and away from the movers, so the pets or your items do not get harmed in the process. Number 5, you disappearing. Some clients are less skilled at multitasking than they think and run last-minute errands to the store, to do laundry, or to even get food. Your movers need you on that day, and your movers will need to ask questions, and you will need to remain present in the home during this entire process. Please do not disappear. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, hit the notification bell. Don't miss any of our new videos. You can get all of our alerts. And you can always find more moving tips from professional moving companies at moving-me.com. Stay safe, move like a pro, and feel happy in your new home.
Moving tips.